Look at graph. Let's start off with a little bit of an announcement, and quite an exciting one as well. After countless requests, I finally made a Discord server attached to this channel. And thanks to all these guys who really made the whole server and are running the server as admins or mods. I mean, really it wouldn't have been possible without them, as I myself is almost like a complete noob at Discord. We study together, but we also share memes, play games, hang out in voice channels, host movie nights and all that fun stuff. You can find a link to the Discord server in the description below. I'd love to see you there really soon. The Discord server admins have specifically asked me to include this next section of instructions after joining the Discord server. So after joining the server, please take 2 minutes to read through the rules. To verify yourself, you need to add a react to the post in the verification channel, and you're supposed to pick self roles for you in the self roles channel. You'll be able to see text and voice channels according to the roles you have picked, and if you are a channel member on YouTube, you have an exclusive text channel where you can interact with me and other members. But you have to connect your YouTube account with your Discord account. We already have over 1000 members. I hope to see you there really soon. So with that out of the way, let's talk about why I haven't been posting for almost over a month. That is mostly because the hectic online semester of our college and also the continuous evaluation, which made it a lot more tough to go through and gave us very little time. And fun fact is that the semester isn't over yet. By the time you're watching this video is probably when the semester is about to end, and the next semester is already starting from the 4th of January 2021, giving us less than a week for semester break. I know 2020 has been a very different year, and it has been really tough to go through, and it has taught us a lot of things, obviously, especially because 2020 was horrible. Every little win, every little achievement or every little improvement mattered just a tad bit more. So what was your biggest win in the year of 2020? And let me know in the comments below, no matter how small of a win it was. So standing at the brink of 2020, let's take a look back and try to summarize what all happened this year, at least in my life. Talking about entertainment, I think I already talked about this in a previous video, that entertainment wasn't as fun without any workload. And even after the semester started, the workload was so much, we didn't really find any time for entertainment. Being in quarantine for most of the year, maintaining the warmth of human relationships was a challenge faced by almost everyone, and I think me and my friends did a pretty good job tackling it. Although we couldn't study in the same room together, we joined Discord servers and played some music in the background and studied together like we did in our hostels. And also we tried to make every birthday count. We tried to make every birthday as huge as possible. We came up with new ideas, new gift ideas and stuff. So overall, I think me and my friends did a pretty good job at keeping each other check and staying connected. Talking about academics, the main thing was my third semester, and it was obviously conducted in an online mode with the imposition of continuous evaluation, which meant I almost had at least one quiz or one assignment or another exam or project almost every single day. And this thing got really hectic, especially in the end weeks of every segment when there were a lot of exams and stuff. At one point it was starting to affect our mental well-being, but with time we learned to cope with it, and towards the end of the semester, I think everyone just wanted the semester to end regardless of how the semester ended. This year, being bored in quarantine and craving group activities with friends, I got into PC gaming. Well, only one game to be honest, Valorant. I started playing regularly with my friends, and being who I am, I've been trying to improve each and every day in this. I have played PUBG Mobile before, but PC FPS games were something completely new. The mechanics and the strategies were completely different, and I'm happy to say that I've improved in that aspect too. Hitting more headshots, clutching more rounds, getting more kills, and supporting my team to a better extent. Guitar has been quite a non-consistent part of my life, and this also is something I want to improve, but time didn't allow me much. But with whatever time I had in my hand, I'm surprised that I actually managed to learn some 3 or 4 songs which I can actually sing with the guitar now. At this point, I'm still not done pointing out what exactly are my New Year resolutions that I want to stick to in the year 2021. And it will be really hard as there are so many things I want to get better at, so I need to prioritize really well and really mindfully. I will talk about a better approach for New Year resolutions next time. Although I've been drawing all through the year, the main focus about art will be buying the drawing tablet. I remember at one point I felt like digital drawing was a lesser time consuming process to work with. Well, that wasn't true, but digital art is a whole other universe and it's pretty fascinating how much potential it has. Art is another aspect of my life that I want to get better at no matter how hard life gets. I've always been drawing somehow or the other. I'll continue to draw more and more, draw what I want and try to improve my art skills in the process. Talking about my birthday, I didn't have much expectations as everyone was so far apart. My college friends sang Country Roads by John Denver and that was freaking golden. That particular song has a different place in my heart as it was in the first anime I ever watched, Whisper of the Heart. Overall, they really overdid themselves by making a wishing video and also a scrapbook. Our college recently sent out a form asking about who all wants to come back to campus. And obviously it's optional, the next semester is obviously going to be totally online. All 3 of us, Yash, Abhishek and I have filled the form and hope to get back to campus as soon as possible. There will be a lot more videos coming if I get back to campus. Studying will be a lot more seamless. Like being in campus really provides a better environment for academics and for maintaining a better mental space no matter how hectic the semester gets, and it's somehow more fun overall. Talking about YouTube, I haven't thought anything long term about the future of this YouTube channel. Obviously, I still love making videos and I will try to streamline the process of making videos so I can make more videos obviously. And I also want to increase the production value of the content I put out. And I will obviously try to prioritize YouTube over Valorant so that I can put out at least 1 video a week. That is the schedule I aim to stick to, but things can go off track really soon as the 4th semester starts and it starts getting hectic all over again. Referencing one of the points I wrote in my future log for last year, I want to make videos that I'm proud of. And I already have made some videos that I'm proud of. And one of my favorite videos on this channel, that is the video about my first year at IIT Hyderabad, actually hit 1 million views in under 4 months, and that is so freaking amazing. My friends and my Discord server people were absolutely stoked about this achievement. To be honest, what more could I have asked for? And wrapping up the year of 2020, obviously things aren't gonna change drastically as 2021 comes around, but let's try our best to make it better than what 2020 was. I am extremely grateful to the growing community on YouTube. If I remember correctly, last year at this point, I had around 6,000 to 7,000 subscribers on YouTube, and now we are almost at 68,000 subscribers, and that is so amazing of an achievement. I really hope we can get to 69k subscribers before the year ends, but again, no pressure, do it at your own pace. And I have the idea lingering in my head about designing some merch for the community. I have no idea how that will go. And also I have obviously some really good and interesting ideas about the videos I'm gonna make, and I'll be working on them really soon. I think that's all I wanted to talk about for now. This was the kind of video about catching up with all you beautiful people and really talking about the near future we'll be soon venturing into. I hope you had a great Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Let's try to make 2021 just a tad bit better than 2020 was.